In this video, we are going to show you how to use SuperNova's speak key to review the properties of a character and take a quick look at automating the output of changes to text. Here, in our sample document, we've got a word highlighted in bold, another italicized, and a third word underlined. As a screen reader user, you can confirm the attributes of a character by using the speak character hotkey. With the focus on the character, press numpad 4 once to speak the character.
F.
Press it twice to phonetically spell the character,
Foxtrot.
and on its third press you are told,
Font Arial, bold, 16 point, color black, background color white.
So we know this character is bold. We can repeat the same exercise for the other characters.
O. Oscar. Font Arial, italic, 16 point, color black, background color white. T. Tango. Font Arial, underlined, 16 point, color black, background color white.
This can be somewhat time consuming, especially if you're aiming to review a document for format errors. SuperNova can automatically announce text style changes as you read a document. To do this, press Ctrl and spacebar to open the SuperNova control panel.
SuperNova control panel, visual page.
Then press Alt and S to open the speech menu,
Menu bar. Speech menu.
and press T to select text style announcements.
Text style announcement. Number announcement group. Words checked radio.
In the text style announcements dialog box under the Edit Areas tab, you can turn on the font attributes you would like automatically announced. Here we will turn on underline text,
Underline change unchecked checkbox. Checked.
weight,
Weight change unchecked checkbox. Checked.
and italics.
Italics change unchecked checkbox. Checked.
We will quickly OK the changes and return to our document. Now let's listen to what happens when we read through the text with arrow key.
Upon emerging, bold, from normal, the highlands which terminate about.
Hopefully you spotted the announcement of bold when a bold word was encountered. We'll read on and see what is spoken when our italicized word and underlined word is encountered.
Bewdley and italic, starport, normal, the Severn flows southwards through an undulating plain underlined, 2, normal, meet the Avon at Tewkesbury. For more than.
As before, we are told when a format change is encountered, and the announcement of normal when the text has returned to the normal style, making it easy for us to identify the word and, if required, correct it. Turning on the format announcements is handy, but don't forget to turn them off again when your review is done, as it can be distracting when doing day-to-day reading.